at the beginning, which I have said in active O-knotting. Now I am going to tell the interior function, how the panel will work. Basically the panel will work based on key functions. It has 5 LEDs, shows different functions: power LED, system on LED, battery LED, zone 1 LED and zone 2 LED. Another important thing is it has 2 modes, day mode and night mode. In day mode, zone 1 and zone 2 will be deactivate condition. Meanwhile, the LED zone 1 and zone 2 will be in off condition, and night mode panic will be in deactivate condition. Look over here. First I am going to show how the day mode condition will be activated. Now day mode condition is over. Next I am going to show the night mode condition. Zone 1 activated, take some time. The night mode condition is over. Now we are going to see the wiring procedure for this panel. The main input supply for this panel 220 volt AC 50 Hz. The backup battery voltage range is 12 volt DC 7 ampere. Let me tell the panel sensors to connect in the zones, whereas in zones we can connect the sensors in serial manner. If you want to connect the number of sensors in serial wise, the circuit will be closed. The sensors will be open if any interruption occurs between the sensors. Same as it is procedure for zone 2. We have given the 12 volt output DC provision from the zone side. If you want to modify the time delay for zone 1 using ZT1, we have given the prevention for panic in this panel, and there is no time delay for this process. There is 3 dampers, 2 is for silent damper, remaining 1 is control panel door damper. To active control panel door damper means you have to use J14 jumper. Now come to the siren section. To interface the siren, we can take the siren output from siren 1 and siren 2 terminal. Whenever there is any interruption in the panel, the siren will be raised. If you want to change the siren time using STD jumper. Additionally, we have given the special remote function feature in this panel. Using remote function, we can operate the external relay on the board. As per customer requirement, if they want to get the information immediately from active or not this panel, they have to interface and additionally include the product called active GSM dialer and active landline dialer. This is active 108 installation diagram. The main part of this area is AC input. The AC input range is 220 volt 50 Hz, and this is battery part. The battery range is 12 volt 7 ampere. It has a polarity. It have a two zones, zone 1 and zone 2. It have a 12 volt output individually. If you want to connect PRs and vibration sensors, you can use these outputs and connect normal door sensors, shutter sensors. You can use this arrow marks. It has a panic zone. It has a two siren outputs. If you connect one siren, you have to use tampers. If you connect two sirens, the tamper is not necessity. It has an external trigger, normally open, common, and normally closed. If you connect active GSM auto dialer or active landline dialer or some other appliances, you can use this NO, common, and NC. It has a 5 different LEDs: power, system on, battery low, zone 1, and finally zone 2. If you increase the zone 1 time delay, you can use ZT1 jumper. If you increase the siren output, you have to use a STD jumper. If you protect control panel door tamper, you have to use door jumper. It has a remote port